how to create music design presentation on PowerPoint. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create music design presentation on PowerPoint easy and fast. So first thing you have to do is go to PowerPoint and now go to presentations. Here in the top, click on it like this and it will take you to this page. Now on this page you will find many templates. Or what you have to do is go to the search here and search for music like this, and click, now choose the design that you want and click on it like this and click create. Now this is my design. Or what you have to do is edit as you want by clicking. As you can see, it's very easy to edit and you can change anything you want, the photos also. And after you finish, all what you have to do is go to the top corner right here and click save. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.